Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to check your wet level on Poppo Live. Right, so we all know that wet level is very important, and it's very important to increase your wet level on Poppo Live. So if you want to check if your wet level is increasing, or you just want to see where to find your wet level, this video is for you. So let's see how we can do it. Now the first step you have to take is of course open your Poppo Live app and then log into your account. Next you have to head to your profile, so click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then you will see your nickname at the top area. Click on that. From here guys, this is your profile. So from your profile you are going to see this option, the LV wet level option. So that's it. So right now this account is on wet level 1. Right, so this is how you can actually see your wet level on Poppo Live. So if you want to learn about how to increase your wet level, I have a video on that which I will add at the end screen of this one. So you have to check out the playlist at the end screen so that you can learn how to increase your wet level, and also you can find other videos on how to navigate the Poppo Live app. Right, so that's it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.